today. I am. And for those that are coming back, thank you for being here. The ones that this is your first time, y'all, I'm so glad you chose to come kick it with me. Okay, y'all, so today we are going to make a flower box, and I'm so into the black diamond confetti, so I'm going to use that with this project as well as the mirror that I did yesterday. So what we're going to use are these Dollar Tree little frames, and we're going to use some glitter, our black crushed diamonds, some all-purpose clear glue. We're going to use a brush, glue sticks, and we're going to use glue gun. So the first thing we're going to do, and y'all, it's going to take about, I didn't put them all here, but it's going to take about 5 for each box. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the back part of the frame off, and we're going to take these out. But please, y'all, keep these because they can be used for another DIY. So we're going to take this and we're going to turn it around. You can paint these little sheets in here. You can paint those, the paper, black if you like, or whatever color you're using in the gems. But I'm going to just, use this white. I'm not going to change anything, y'all, because I didn't want to. How about that? So we're just going to put our clear glue in the middle, and we're also going to put the clear glue on the ends of the mirror. The frame. Okay, Glam fam, so we let the picture frames dry. So now we're going to put the pieces together. So we're just going to put some glue on the ends of the picture frame. And glue it together. So for this DIY, we're going to use this candle holder that I got from the Goodwill. We're going to use our black and silver crushed diamonds. All I did was mix the two together. We're going to use some mosaic tile. We're going to use our clear glue and a brush. Okay, Glam fam. So while we're waiting on the candle holder to dry, y'all, I thought about this ugly, well, it was pretty when I bought it, but I've painted it like 25 times. So I thought about making a candle or whatever. Of course, I'm not going to use it because I've spray painted so many times, but I'm just gonna give you an idea of how you can bring it back to life, the look of it. So what I did was, well, what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and put glue all over the candle, and this is a real candle. So I got it from, let's see, at home. They have the most beautiful candles. So what I'm going to do is use some glitter, and what I did was I mixed the glitter black and silver together to get the look of the glitter that I'm going to use. I just mixed the two, and I got them from Walmart, both of them from Walmart. And the black is called Onyx that I'm using, and of course the silver glitter. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how our glitter candle turned out. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is add a little bit of Gotta Be Glued hairspray to lock in that glitter. You don't need a whole lot. And then I'm gonna put that to the side. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is work on our candle holder. So we're gonna use some of this mosaic tile that I got from efavormart.com. And y'all, just FYI, efavormart.com has a, I think it's like $30 some, and they always have it on sale, but it's a lot of it. So you get your money's worth, depending on, you know, how many projects you do with this tile, or if you know, like, use it a lot. But it's efavormart.com. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how our flower boxes and candle holders turned out. The candles as well. Y'all, I am loving this black and silver. It is always sexy. So, you know, I love me some black and silver. I think it's so classic, modern. It is just gorgeous, y'all. So I hope you all like what you see. And if you do, y'all know what to do. You like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Glam DIY.